The vision for Magic Milestones really is that we take the sort of boring parts of project management, try and take those out to make project management creative. So we've got this kind of idea of the creative project manager. Because we're working with creative teams, we very much like to take a creative approach. So what we don't do is come into a business and say, okay, I've got my framework and I'm going to do this come hell or high water, because very often in a creative environment you actually have to adapt to the environment itself. So that's what we do with people like the BBC, people like Maverick TV. They've got a very specific way of working, and our teams actually integrate into those teams and almost become part of the furniture.
Being part of the furniture from a Magic Milestones point of view is all around delivering projects on the client premises for the clients and fitting totally into their culture. So seamless project delivery is what Magic Milestones is about.
We've got two streams of services. One is training and development and consultancy, and the other side is actually delivering projects and transferring the knowledge back into the teams.
Bringing together traditional project methodologies, Prince 2 is what we use, and bringing that together with agile project frameworks, delivery through Scrum, and in that way bringing the two together is totally unique.
The first stage was to get people to take on roles. We had the marketing manager and she was the product owner. We then had a project manager to bring all the team together, and then we had our customer. Those were the people that we wanted to actually market to. Next, we got the team to brainstorm around products, and then I did a prioritisation exercise with the teams as if we were actually stakeholders all around the board looking at those products. Next, we had a Scrum meeting. So we got everyone in the team around the board, and we got everyone to tell us what they did today, what they did yesterday, and if there's anything standing in their way. What we also got the team to do was to come up with stories. So we taught the team how to work out tasks for their sprint, for their iteration. So we got them to do it in a certain way. There's a certain grammar to it, and that's, as a user, I would like to, so that X, Y, Z, the outcome, the business benefit, the test. Then we explored what we mean by done. We had a look at the story, and the team worked out that what was after so that in the grammatical sentence was the thing they needed to make sure they could tick that box and say that that task was actually completed.
We bring the real world into the workshops. Very fast paced because, hey, that's the way digital and creative media industries work. So we bring that into our training programs, very fast paced. Everyone gets a lot of enjoyment out of it. They're exciting places to be.
I thought today's training session was really great value for money. I've learned a lot I can take back to my team. My boss will be very impressed at the amount I've learned.
I really like the hands-on. I like the applied side of project management. Obviously everyone's got their own project.
But something that is very difficult in a startup situation is there's a lot to do, a lot of very different projects. By organising them and also doing the priorities, I think it will allow you to get things done in the right order.
The benefit of training in this way is that essentially you get the team to actually work on a project in situ. It got the team thinking about actually how would this work in real life, and now when they go back to work they can use this and hang their ideas and hang their experience off what they've already experienced within the training session itself.
So you'll see on our website lots more information about Magic Milestones and in particular our training events. You can follow us on YouTube channel, Twitter and LinkedIn.